items or confectionaries they'll take. So we are providing them food items.
Hello, I'm audible.
Hello, Rahul. How are you? Yeah, you're audible.
I'm good. And you?
Okay. I'm good as well. Thank you for asking, Rahul. My name is Diksha, and I'll be taking your session today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, should we talk about the topic?
Maybe I didn't see.
Okay, you didn't look at the session material.
Yes, I didn't look.
Okay, that's okay. So, the topic was amusement park. Do you
Okay.
know about the amusement parks?
It's like Disneyland.
Yeah, correct. Kind of. Okay, where there
Yeah.
are rides. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll try talking about it. If you're comfortable with it, that's okay. If you want to switch to another topic, you can tell me. Okay?
Okay, try both. Maybe I
Okay.
didn't speak too much about amusement park.
Okay, you won't be able to speak too much about amusement park.
Yes, because I
Okay, so
didn't know about more
okay.
things.
Okay, so you can tell me any topic that you want to discuss.
Yes, maybe I should we continue on this topic. Then maybe we will general conversation.
Okay. So what do you want to talk about?
Anything. I'm comfortable with topic, but I didn't speak too much.
Okay. Okay, let's start with the topic. If you want, we can continue. If you want,
Okay.
you can tell me. I'll switch to other things. Okay, general things.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, have you ever been to an amusement park?
I go some water park and amusement park is like roller coaster ride
Yeah,
and
correct, correct.
360 and flip fall also. I'm going. I what I say मैंने उसमें वो ride किया है ride these things 360 and roller coaster and free fall all I
Okay,
ride.
you've tried these rides.
Yes,
Oh, okay. So, what did you like the most about it?
I enjoy it. Anything like I love to go Disneyland like in that time. One of them I wish is like I am going to in Dubai for Disneyland. There is I think largest roller coaster ride in Dubai this
Okay, so
time.
you would like to go there.
Yes, I love to ride this thing,
Okay,
some
you
adventurous
would.
thing.
Okay. So, here it's a conditional scenario we are talking about, right?
Okay.
So you should say, I would like to go there.
Yes, I would like.
Would. You should use would. Okay. Okay, Ram. So was there anything that you disliked when you visited this amusement park, when you went for the rides?
Not too much, but this time it's very costly. Like it's too much.
Okay.
He is taking too much price for like 5 7 rates only, and you pay 200, 300, 400 for one ride.
Okay. So they are charging too much amount
Yes,
for the rides. Okay. Oh, okay. So if you could create your own amusement park, would you?
it's maybe it's not possible for me. But if I create,
Hmm.
I generally think about price and some other features.
Hmm. Hmm. So if you could create your own amusement park,
Yes,
you would, okay? You would, right?
yes,
But you will think about the other features like price and everything.
yes.
Okay. So what kind of theme would it have?
Themes like in the same park we have some water park also and some like what is there? Some I don't know. What I say I do not good knowledge about these things.
You were saying the coaster
Yes,
rides and the free
yes, all these
fall.
things are
Yeah. So you can say while answering this, like adventurous sports, water.
yes,
One thing you said, water sports, water rides, and also, yeah, the Disney can be a theme also. Disney
yes,
is a theme for Disney Wonderland is theme. So you can also choose that theme. Okay, so these things can come in your theme.
yes.
Okay. Okay, so which rides would you like to install?
I want to ride roller coaster right now, but in India, I think it's not possible.
Hmm,
No any place where you can ride a roller coaster in India.
we can't ride
You have
roller
only
coaster rides in
option
India. Hmm.
in India. I don't know where it's placed, but in generally you can ride 360 and free fall. It's very common in India.
Okay, so oh, this 360 ride, can you elaborate this for me? I've not ridden it. I've not been to this ride.
It's 360 ride like it's like a circle, and you can just go and sit for and he moves 360.
Okay, so it moves 360 degrees.
Yes,
Okay, so it's like a circle in
yes,
which people are seated and then
uh,
it moves 360 degrees.
yes,
Okay, okay. So does it goes fast?
yes. It's
Does it
goes
go
fast.
fast?
When you go upside, then you are feeling like you feel like
Okay.
very what I say. That
And what
time you
about
want to cry. When you go up, when you are going down, that time nothing happens.
okay. What about free fall?
Free fall, it's like when you sit there and it takes to some high uh,
Okay, it takes you to a
and
height.
and suddenly you like you disconnected through rope and you can directly free where are you
Okay, you're
sitting?
freely falling.
Yes, free
Oh,
fall.
okay. Okay, okay. So you've been to these rides. You've experienced
Yes,
these rides, right?
yes. I love to
Great.
do this.
Okay, great. So which special features would you like to include in your amusement park other than these rides?
Like some other sports, like mostly
Any
not all,
features?
but some add some other sport like who all can do. In engagement part, mostly like who is suffering from like higher things and like moving object, they cannot ride these things. Then we possible to do ki their other sport also involved to like go there and play some like badminton, cricket, these type of other sports.
Oh,
Because some normal people also go for do these things.
okay. So what you can say here is normal people can also go there to do normal things like playing cricket or
Yes.
other things. Okay, that you described. So you should frame this sentence like this, that
Okay.
normal people can also go to. Okay. For my point,
Okay.
you're mixing your prepositions a lot, like to, the to,
Yes. Yes.
from. Okay. So try to keep that in mind. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ram. So what kind of food and confectionery would you provide? Normally in amusement parks we get food and other items, right? Those are
Yes, but
called confectionery.
these are very much costly, I think.
Okay, but okay, you are providing them with lesser price. Okay,
Yes.
now which,
No,
mm,
and
mm,
we can
yeah,
provide
now,
their normal price.
okay, yeah. Okay, so what kind of food and confectionery would you provide at a fair price? Normal price, instead of saying normal price, you can say fair price. Like you will not
Like
charge them a lot, correct?
ice cream and some like chaat and pani puri, this type of things mostly you can provide in less amount. And normal food like all normal food are there already what say, provided.
Okay. So Rahul, here what you did is you started the sentence by saying uh, pani puri, chaat, and ice cream. Okay, you started your sentence like this. Okay, you should start the sentence by saying I'll provide. Okay, I would keep, or I
Yes.
would keep these food items like ice cream. Then you'll name this. So that a full
Okay.
structure, full sentence can form. Okay, rather
Okay.
than
I
just
will provide ice
naming,
cream and pani puri these things.
yeah, in my amusement park. Correct. See, it will
Okay.
become a sentence, very basic sentence with very basic words. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but it will be a complete sentence so that it will it will be more effective. Okay, it will enhance your language if you will speak in complete sentences. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So which kind of shops would it have?
Like what?
Generally, when we go to amusement parks, there are shops like for food items, for
There mostly shops
confectionery.
are like toy shop.
Hmm. Yeah, correct. So which kind of
Mostly
shops would it have?
we provided toy shop
Yeah, it will
and
have, or it would
and
have.
it would have
Hmm.
to
Correct.
provide
Now,
a
see,
toy shop.
provide we used for the food and confectionery because we are providing that.
Okay.
And shops, we are using have here because shops will be there. Okay, we are not providing them. Shops would be there in the amusement
Okay.
park. Food items or confectionaries they'll take. So we are providing them food items and confectionery, correct?
Yes.
But shops would be situated there in the amusement park. So the amusement park would have, that's why we are saying would have. And there we used would provide. Okay. Are you getting my point? Seriously?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I get.
Okay. You can ask me if you're getting confused. There's no problem with that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So did you get my point that why we use provide there and why we
Yes.
used have here? Okay.
Provide
Tell
like
me.
people some like taking
Yeah.
on food or anything.
Okay. So people are taking food items and confectionaries along with them. Okay. So we are providing, you are providing the food items and confectionery. So that's why we used I would provide this kind of food or this kind of confectionery to people in my amusement park. Correct?
Yes.
Now, which kind of shops would it have? So, the amusement park is having the shops. Okay, shops will be situated there, would be situated there in the amusement park only. Okay,
Okay.
nobody's taking it. So that's why we are using have. So amusement park would have. And we are using would here because it is a conditional scenario. It is not true, it is conditional. So that's why we are
Yes.
using would here. Okay. Okay, did you get the concept
Yes. Yes.
behind it? Oh, great. So which kind of shops would it have?
I would have a toy shop and some stationery shop.
Oh, okay, great. So stationery also.
Yes.
Okay. So where would you set it up? Where would you set the amusement park?
In main city mostly.
So
And
Rahul, you can elaborate on the topics on the question so that you'll get more used to
I don't
talking.
have knowledge about this thing. That's why
Okay,
I'm
that's okay.
confusing.
That's okay. I think our time is also up. Our session is about to end. Okay, Rahul?
Okay.
So if you, I don't want it to end abruptly, so that's why I'm informing you. If you have any questions for me, you can ask me right now.
Not at all. But we can talk general question.
Okay. So Rahul, you have problem with your pronunciation also somewhere. Okay. So what you
Yes.
can do is if you read something in English, you can start by reading it out loud. Okay. Start reading it out loud. Read it loudly so that you can concentrate more on some particular words. Okay. I think it will
Okay.
help you and you will get more familiar with the language also.
Okay.
Okay, and be more confident. You're doing good. There's no need to worry about nobody's judging you. Everybody's here to teach you only. Okay, they are here to help
Okay.
you, so don't worry. Just start being more confident, be more frank, that's all. You can have a conversation normally. We are just having a normal conversation. Okay,
Yes.
and
Next
try
time I'll.
reading up. Correct. Okay. Try reading up on the session material as well. Okay. So
Okay.
you'll get some words, right? So try to include that in the conversation. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Rahul. It was great interacting with you, Rahul. Just keep up with the good work and put in a lot of effort and practice. Okay. And you'll
Okay.
become fluent. Okay.
Okay. I tried.
Thank you for your time, Rahul. It was great interacting with you.
Thank you. Hope we meet
Okay.
again.
Okay, sure, sure. Okay, good night,
Okay.
Rahul. Have sweet dreams.
Good night.
Okay, bye.
Bye.